Attorney Didouche? If that's the interpreter,
I'm on.
okay. You've got them, is there three-way in on the phone?
That's who I'm talking to on the phone.
Okay, if they are three-way in on your phone, you should be able to hit
That's
star
why
6.
I'm unmuted.
Listen,
Oh,
you should be able to hit star 6 and unmute them. There we go. Hello.
Hello.
To the interpreter, can you say something for me?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, this is me now. Your Swahili interpreter ID 267114. Welcome.
Okay, thank you. Are you able to hear him? Okay. So I may need you to speak up a little bit, okay? To the interpreter. To the interpreter, are you able to hear me?
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me?
Hello.
Okay.
Yes, I can now hear you very okay.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you to, can you please provide your number again and your name?
Thank you. My name is Mina. The spelling is M-I-N-A. Interpreter ID 267114. I'll be your Swahili interpreter today.
Okay, thank you. Please raise your right hand. Tell me when it's raised.
Sure.
Do you swear or affirm that you will translate to the best of your ability from English to Swahili and from Swahili to English in these proceedings today?
Yes, I do.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Now calling at case numbers 24S00421 and 25S00003. These are the state of Michigan versus Mcano Mutatu.
Kwa sasa tunashughulikia kesi nambari 24 S004221 na pia kesi nambari 25S0003. Hii ni kesi dhidi ya state ya Michigan naye bwana Mcano Mutatu.
Can I have appearances for the record?
Mr. Translator, do you want to translate that?
Require your repetition, Your Honor. The person require your repetition, Your Honor. Someone spoke over you.
Can I have appearances for the record, please?
Basi nakuomba uweze fika mbele ili tuweze kurekodi taarifa zako.
Karima Didouche on behalf of Mr. Mutatu.
Basi ni wakili wako Karima Didouche ambaye anakuwakilisha bwana Mutatu.
We waive formal reading of the charges on both cases and stand mute.
Kwamba tunataka kujadili kuhusu madai ya mashtaka mawili dhidi yako.
Mr. Mutatu, can you please state your name for the record?
Bwana Mutatu, tafadhali sema majina yako yote kamili kwa minajili ya kurekodi.
Mcano Mutatu.
Thank you.
Mcano Mutatu. Asante.
Mr. Mutatu, you have the following basic rights.
Bwana Mutatu, kwa sasa uko na haki zifuatazo.
You have the right to remain silent, as anything you say out loud or in writing can be used against you in court.
Uko na haki ya kunyamaza kwa kuwa chochote ambacho unaweza kusema kwa sauti ama kwa kuandika yaweza kutumiwa dhidi yako kotini.
You have the right to be presumed innocent beyond a reasonable doubt.
Uko na haki ya bado kuwekwa kwamba hauna kosa bila shauku lolote.
You have the right to a trial by judge or by jury.
Uko na haki ya kuhukumiwa ama kusikilizwa mbele ya jaji ama mahakimu.
You have the right to be represented by an attorney during all stages of these court proceedings, that is, before, during, and after trial.
Uko na haki ya kuwakilishwa kotini naye mwanasheria wakati wa kikao cha koti, baadaye na hata baada ya kikao cha koti.
You are not required to disclose citizenship status to the court, but you do have the right to consult with an attorney to see if this case would have any effect on your citizenship status.
Uko na haki ya kutoeleza hali yako ya kiuraia mbele ya koti, bali uko na haki ya kuweza kujadiliana kando naye wakili wako kumuuliza kama labda kikao cha koti chaweza kuhatarisha ama kuathiri hali yako ya uraia.
If that last part does not apply to you, then do not worry about it.
Endapo hiyo kipengele cha mwisho haijahusiana nawe, basi usijali.
Do you have any questions about your rights?
Kuna swali lolote kuhusu hizo haki zako ambazo tumetaja?
Hapana.
No.
Okay, thank you.
Asante.
Attorney Didouche, do you want to address bond, please?
Mwanasheria Didouche, ungependa kuongelea kuhusu mambo ya dhamana tafadhali?
Yes, Your Honor. We are going to be requesting a low cash bond so he can get credit for time served. I'm just gonna stop there for now.
Ndio mkubwa, tutaweza kuomba pewe dhamana ikiwa pia wanazingatia ile muda ambapo pia amekuwa akipokea kifungo.
He is currently in jail, serving a sentence on another case.
Kwa sasa yuko kwenye kifungo cha jela ikiwa anatimiza kifungo chake cha kesi lingine tofauti.
His current release date is set for October 29th, 2025.
Kwa sasa anatarajiwa kuachiliwa huru mwezi wa 10 tarehe 29 mwaka huu.
I believe he failed to appear at his last court date because the address on file for him was incorrect.
Nafikiria kwamba alikosa kufika kwenye kikao cha koti uliopita kwa kuwa adresi iliyokuwa kwenye faili yake haikuwa kamili.
You said he's serving time until October 29th of this year?
Amesema anaendelea na kifungo chake kwenye jela hadi mwezi wa 10 tarehe 29 wa mwaka huu.
Your Honor, my internet disconnected. Your Honor,
Your
my internet disconnected.
internet doesn't.
Samahani, kuna shida ya internet.
Stop your video, we will see if that helps.
Tafadhali funga video kama itakuwa sawa.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Thank you.
Nakupata vizuri.
All right, let's talk about that. The hearing for Mcano Mutatu in front of Magistrate Hillary Braley had all the makings of a procedural tangle with the added twist of a Swahili interpreter, tech difficulties, and a defendant currently serving time on a separate case. What began as a standard arraignment quickly turned into a test of communication, patience, and a bit of courtroom improvisation. Braley showed her usual calm and steady hand, juggling the need for accurate interpretation with the technical hiccups that interrupted the flow at one point. The judge had to pause and restart video feeds just to make sure everyone was connected and understanding each other. Even with the spotty connection, she never lost her stride, keeping the hearing respectful, on task, and fair to all involved. Defendant Mcano Mutatu remained quiet throughout, speaking only through the interpreter. But he followed the process diligently. When asked to state his name, he did so clearly, and stood mute to the charges through his attorney Karima Didouche. Didouche requested a low cash bond so Mutatu could receive credit for time served, noting that he's currently in jail until October 29th on an unrelated matter. This hearing was more about managing logistics than adjudicating facts. The bond, the calendar, and the issue of a missed court date due to a bad address on file. Didouche explained the background cleanly and with focus, making sure the court had everything it needed. That professionalism helped ensure Mutatu's case didn't get bogged down unnecessarily. One of the understated but important dynamics here was the use of the Swahili interpreter. The court took time to swear the interpreter in to confirm communication was clear and work around volume and language barriers. It's not glamorous courtroom drama, but it's critical. And it's where the justice system shows it can be inclusive when it wants to be. Everyone slowed down when needed, repeated what had to be clarified, and kept the hearing moving forward, even if it wasn't at lightning speed. There was even a small moment of levity when Judge Braley asked again about Mutatu's expected release date, and the audio had to catch up. But all in all, this hearing was less about argument and more about structure, protecting a defendant's rights, making sure he's properly represented, and setting the case on a fair and organized path forward. It's not always flashy, but these are the gears that keep the system running. So no fireworks today, but plenty to appreciate in how the court handled complexity with calm and order. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one.